Utilize baking soda and apple cider vinegar in this manner, and observe the effects on your body. What if I told you that you could totally change how you feel with a basic daily concoction, made with just 2 items from your kitchen, from the inside out? Doesn't that sound unbelievable? Despite its extreme simplicity, this combination may be concealing some of the most unexpected natural benefits you've never heard of. It's more than simply the glass's fizz. The true magic starts with what happens after you drink it or apply it. What causes such a strong reaction from this mixture? When you take it, what precisely occurs in your body? Furthermore, is there a proper and improper manner to use it? The majority of people are aware with apple cider vinegar, and may have even tried baking soda as a cure on occasion. Few people, however, are aware of what happens when the two are combined, or how to safely maximize their potential. The amazing advantages of combining baking soda and apple cider vinegar, benefits that most people aren't even aware exist, will be discussed in this video. I'll also demonstrate how to properly produce the mixture, how to use it, and the crucial safety measures you should be aware of. You won't want to miss this, I promise. If you're new to our channel, welcome. Before we get into the potent effects and doable processes of using baking soda and apple cider vinegar, together, let's develop. Remember to subscribe and like this video so you don't miss any of our future posts. We are thrilled to be a part of your journey to improved health, which begins here. Oh, and mention your nation in the comments to let us know where you're watching from. We would be delighted to hear from you. Let's start with vinegar made from apple cider. This acidic, golden liquid is much more than just a component of salad dressings. It is made by fermenting apples and contains acetic acid, enzymes, and good bacteria that have been utilized for ages in traditional medicine. Apple cider vinegar has a reputation for promoting healthy digestion, controlling blood sugar, and even aiding in weight loss. It is a natural option for body cleansing and detoxification because of its potent antibacterial and antifungal qualities. However, its internal uses are not the only ones. It's also a well-liked choice for hair rinses, skincare products, and even dental care. It's a true multitasker in the natural health space. Let's talk about baking soda now. Despite its apparent simplicity, this unassuming white powder has a lot of potential. Baking soda, also referred to as sodium bicarbonate, is a naturally occurring alkaline chemical that aids in the body's acid neutralization process. In addition to being a popular, short-term solution for heartburn or indigestion, it works wonders externally to cleanse the skin, relieve irritations, and even serve as a gentle exfoliator. It has a surprising function in preserving cleanliness and lowering the risk of infection because of its antifungal and antibacterial properties. It's affordable, widely available, and incredibly adaptable. Why then mix these two? Both baking soda and apple cider vinegar have amazing health advantages when used alone. However, combining both results in a reaction that combines the best aspects of both. Their cleansing, balancing, and healing qualities are improved by the interaction between the vinegar's acidity and the baking soda's alkalinity. When used correctly, this combination can work with your body rather than against it, making it a straightforward yet effective tool in your natural wellness routine. The incredible health advantages of combining baking soda and apple cider vinegar. First, heartburn relief that is natural. One of the most popular, yet misinterpreted methods of treating heartburn is to use baking soda and apple cider vinegar. It may appear odd at first look. Vinegar is acidic after all. Here's the intriguing bit though. Too little stomach acid, rather than too much, is frequently the cause of heartburn. Insufficient stomach acid production slows down digestion and causes food to remain in the stomach, which can result in pressure and the notorious burning feeling. By slightly raising stomach acidity, apple cider vinegar aids in restoring proper digestion. What role does baking soda now play? A mild antacid is sodium bicarbonate or baking soda. It nearly instantly relieves the burning feeling and swiftly neutralizes excess stomach acid. The mixture produces a balancing effect when coupled with apple cider vinegar. Your body doesn't sway too much in any direction. Instead, it naturally soothes inflammation and brings comfort by working with your digestive system. This idea has also been supported by scientific studies. A 2015 study that was published in the Journal of Clinical Gastroenterology shown how mild acid supplements, such as acetic acid, which is present in apple cider vinegar, can help persons with indigestion and low stomach acid by alleviating their symptoms. Without the typical adverse effects associated with prescription antacids, the study reported benefits in digestion and a decrease in symptoms of acid reflux. If you suffer from heartburn on a daily basis, this natural mixture can be your saving grace. And don't worry, I'll demonstrate how to properly and safely prepare it later in the video. Next, improve the health of your digestive system. Baking soda and apple cider vinegar together can significantly enhance digestive health in general. It contributes to a better balanced environment in the intestines and stomach, which is one of the main causes. One that facilitates food digestion, eases discomfort, and encourages healthy gut flora. Acetic acid, found in apple cider vinegar, has been demonstrated to promote the synthesis of digestive enzymes. These enzymes are necessary for the breakdown of proteins, lipids, and carbohydrates, which facilitates easier and more effective digestion. The possibility of undigested food fermenting in your stomach, which is frequently the source of gas, bloating, and discomfort after meals, is decreased when your body produces adequate enzymes. Baking soda, on the other hand, aids in lowering excessive gas and acidity. It can relax abdominal pressure, reduce bloating, and soothe transient digestive upsets. Together, these two contribute to the digestive tract's ideal pH balance, which inhibits the growth of dangerous bacteria and promotes the growth of beneficial ones, or your gut flora. The importance of appropriate pH regulation in the digestive system was highlighted in a 2016 study that was published in Scientific Reports. The study demonstrated how microbial diversity and enzyme function can be disrupted by an unbalanced pH, resulting in a variety of digestive issues. This easy concoction may help create a more robust and healthy digestive tract by promoting a balanced internal environment. When used carefully, baking soda and apple cider vinegar can be a mild, natural approach to help with digestion, especially for people who often have bloating, irregularity, or sluggishness. Then encourages mild detoxification. Supporting mild detoxification in the body is one of the lesser-known yet potent benefits of mixing baking soda and apple cider vinegar. This all-natural blend works with your body's natural processes, including the liver, kidneys, and digestive tract, to assist eliminate waste and preserve internal balance, unlike harsh cleanses or drastic detoxification programs. Natural acids and enzymes found in apple cider vinegar are thought to improve lymphatic drainage and promote circulation. This facilitates the body's more effective processing and removal of pollutants. Because of its mild acidity, it also promotes the formation of bile, which is necessary for the breakdown of lipids and the elimination of waste through the digestive tract. Consistent bile flow is essential for a healthy liver to remove poisons from the body. By aiding in the alkalization of the body's internal environment, baking soda supports this process. Your urine and digestive tract can benefit from periodic pH balancing, even if your blood maintains a narrow pH range. When the hazardous load is higher, as it is after poor diet, pharmaceutical usage, or environmental exposure, an alkaline condition aids the kidneys in more efficiently filtering and eliminating acidic waste. In order to stop toxins from being reabsorbed in the gut, this mixture also promotes regular bowel movements and lessens intestinal stagnation. Fatigue, cognitive fog, and skin problems can result from waste being in the body for an extended period of time. Without any severe measures or unpleasant side effects, apple cider vinegar and baking soda can help you feel lighter, brighter, and more energized by gently supporting your body's natural detox processes. Next, enhance the health of your skin. There are more advantages to using baking soda and apple cider vinegar together than just internal use. When applied externally, it can also work wonders for your skin. When combined, they provide a natural remedy that can aid in the treatment of numerous common skin conditions, such as dullness, inflammation, and acne. Acetic acid, which has inherent antibacterial and antifungal qualities, is abundant in apple cider vinegar. It aids in skin cleansing, oil reduction, and the defense against germs that cause breakouts. A healthy skin barrier depends on the skin's natural pH equilibrium, which is restored by its slightly acidic nature. Your skin is more vulnerable to irritation, dryness, and inflammation when its pH is incorrect. Conversely, baking soda functions as a mild exfoliator. It unclogs pores and eliminates dead skin cells, exposing a more youthful and glowing complexion beneath. Additionally, it has anti-inflammatory and calming qualities that help reduce redness and irritation, which is particularly helpful for skin that is sensitive or prone to acne. When blended, the mixture supports the skin's natural healing process, while also cleansing, calming, and brightening the complexion. More significantly, though, this natural approach is supported by scientific observations. Mildly acidic and alkaline chemicals, such as vinegar and baking soda, have been shown to improve skin texture and reduce microbial burden, particularly in disorders like acne and dermatitis, according to a 2013 clinical study published in Dermatology Research and Practice. When used carefully and in the proper ratio, this natural pair can provide a straightforward and efficient method of promoting skin health and clarity without the need of harsh chemicals or artificial treatments. Improves oral health after that. When mixed and appropriately diluted, baking soda and apple cider vinegar can provide unexpected advantages for your oral health. Their combination can generate a simple and efficient rinse to support a cleaner, fresher mouth, even though they are frequently used independently in natural dental care routines. Because apple cider vinegar contains acetic acid, it naturally possesses antibacterial and antifungal qualities. This makes it beneficial for lowering oral microorganisms, especially those that cause plaque accumulation, gum inflammation, and foul breath. It can contribute to a better atmosphere by gently disinfecting the oral cavity and dispelling odors. Sodium bicarbonate, sometimes known as baking soda, is alkaline and slightly abrasive. It helps to gently brush away plaque, lessen oral acidity, and remove surface stains from teeth. Over time, its alkalinity promotes cleaner teeth and fresher breath by making the environment less conducive to microorganisms that prefer acidic environments. These two substances may lessen the amount of bacteria in the mouth and improve gum health when used as a mouthwash, always diluted adequately. Rinsing with a baking soda-based solution dramatically decreased gingival irritation and plaque production over time, according to a 2017 study published in the Journal of Clinical Dentistry. The study highlighted baking soda's potential as a secure and useful dental care product. This combination can be a beneficial natural addition to your routine for better long-term dental hygiene, fresh breath, and a cleaner mouth, but it should never be used in place of regular brushing and flossing. Then, it naturally reduces acid reflux. Baking soda and apple cider vinegar might provide a safe, natural alternative to traditional antacids, which just mask the symptoms of acid reflux. This combination addresses the underlying cause of reflux and helps to restore digestive system balance, in contrast to drugs that block stomach acid. When the lower esophageal sphincter, or LES, The valve that separates your stomach and esophagus does not close correctly. Acid reflux frequently results. This permits the reflux of stomach acid, which results in the well-known burning feeling. It's interesting to note that this can occur from both too much and too little stomach acid. Food lingers longer when stomach acid is low, which causes fermentation, gas accumulation, and pressure that pushes acid higher. Despite being naturally acidic, apple cider vinegar helps raise stomach acidity just enough to support healthy digestion and tell the LES to remain closed. Baking soda's inherent alkalinity reacts with the vinegar to buffer the mixture, making it both helpful at promoting balance and mild enough for the stomach. The use of natural acidic substances to treat reflux symptoms was investigated in a 2012 study that was published in the Journal of Gastrointestinal and Digestive System. Particularly in those with hypochlorhydrin or low stomach acid, the researchers discovered that mild acids, such as the acetic acid present in apple cider vinegar, could enhance digestive function and lessen reflux episodes. When used carefully, this natural cure might do more than just cover up acid reflux symptoms. Over time, it might help address the underlying imbalance, providing long-lasting comfort and better digestion. Lowers uric acid levels after that. Chronic joint inflammation, kidney stones, and gout are among the painful illnesses that can result from high blood uric acid levels, or hyperuricemia. Uric acid causes severe pain in joints and tissues when it accumulates more quickly than the body can remove it. Reducing production and enhancing the body's capacity to eliminate excess uric acid are two natural ways to address this imbalance. Assisting the body in keeping its internal environment more alkaline is one efficient method to support this process. The kidney's ability to effectively remove uric acid can be slowed down by excessive acidity. Baking soda, a naturally occurring alkaline substance, is essential for buffering excess acid and encouraging uric acid elimination in the urine. This lowers the chance of crystal formation and lessens the strain on the kidneys. Meanwhile, apple cider vinegar's acetic acid may boost liver and kidney detoxification and enhance metabolic function. It can help break down and move waste products like uric acid out of the body more effectively by encouraging improved digestion and circulation. According to a 2010 study in the journal Bioscience, Biotechnology, and Biochemistry, eating acetic acid reduced oxidative stress and blood uric acid levels in animal models. The results imply that, when administered appropriately, even modest dietary acids can promote uric acid control and metabolic health. When used carefully, this natural combination may offer a mild, supportive method of decreasing uric acid and safeguarding long-term joint and kidney health for those with gout or kidney-related issues. Subsequently combats fungal diseases. The prevalence of fungal infections is higher than most people realize, and they can manifest in a variety of ways: ringworm, toenail fungus, athlete's foot, or even skin yeast infections. These infections are frequently difficult to cure and do best in warm, humid conditions. However, when applied externally, the mixture of baking soda and apple cider vinegar provides a safe and efficient means of combating them. Acetic acid, found in apple cider vinegar, has inherent antifungal qualities. It aids in eliminating the fungus and bringing the skin's pH back to normal when applied topically. Since fungi prefer an alkaline environment, vinegar's acidity hinders their growth and makes it more difficult for them to live and proliferate. Baking soda, however, provides an additional line of protection. It helps dry out damp places where fungus usually thrive and has modest antifungal properties. Additionally, it relieves inflammation and itching, which alleviates frequent symptoms. Its texture makes it a great base for a paste, which helps the combination adhere to the skin and remain there longer. This is particularly helpful for localized infections, such as those that occur around the nails or in between toes. This combination functions by clearing the space, interfering with fungal activity, and making the environment less conducive to future growth. Although it is mild on the skin, it effectively combats obstinate fungal invaders. Without the need for harsh chemical treatments, this natural medicine can help eradicate infections and keep them from returning when taken regularly and appropriately. Next, it balances the pH of your body. Although the body normally manages its pH levels rather successfully, particularly in the blood, maintaining a balanced internal pH is crucial for overall health. However, lifestyle choices like stress, processed foods, poor diet, and dehydration can cause short-term imbalances, especially in the urinary and digestive systems. This is where the mixture of baking soda and apple cider vinegar is useful. Once digested, apple cider vinegar has an alkalizing effect, despite its acidic taste. It encourages healthy excretion and aids in the body's more effective digestion of food, both of which are essential for preserving a steady pH environment. Baking soda is a naturally occurring alkaline chemical that helps buffer the body's systems, especially the stomach and urinary tract, and neutralize excess acids. When combined, they help to gradually move your internal landscape in the direction of a more balanced and health-promoting condition. This buffering effect is particularly useful for lowering sporadic acidity without making the body too alkaline. Eliminating acid completely is not the aim. Acid is necessary for digestion, but it should be avoided to prevent the negative consequences of long-term excessive acidity, which can cause joint pain, exhaustion, and weakened immunity. Similar to baking soda, moderate bicarbonate supplementation helped control metabolic acidosis and enhance cellular function in people with kidney stress, according to a 2013 study published in the Renal Physiology Journal. This implies that pH equilibrium and other processes can be favorably impacted by providing the body with basic, natural buffers. When used properly, this combination can enhance energy, clarity, and general well-being by keeping your body within its optimal pH range. SUS, urinary tract discomfort follows. Burning, frequent desires to urinate, and decreased abdominal pressure are some of the signs of urinary tract pain, which is sometimes brought on by minor infections or irritation. While mild or early-stage discomfort may benefit from gentle, natural assistance, serious infections usually require medical attention. A quick and easy method to support urinary tract health and assist restore equilibrium is to use baking soda and apple cider vinegar together. Acetic acid, found in apple cider vinegar, has inherent antibacterial and antifungal qualities. It may aid in preventing the growth of some bacteria, particularly E. coli, that cause pain in the urinary tract when taken in small, appropriately diluted amounts. UTIs are frequently associated with E. coli. Its purifying qualities may also aid the body's natural detoxification processes, promoting the removal of pollutants and bacteria through the urine. Because baking soda is alkaline, it can help balance out too much acidity in the urine. This is especially helpful because burning, when urinating, is often exacerbated by acidic pee. Baking soda may offer calming relaxation and improve the comfort of urine by lowering acidity. The advantages of urine pH manipulation in treating lower urinary tract symptoms were examined in a 2014 study that was published in the International Journal of Biological Sciences. According to the results, preserving a less acidic urine environment can stop germs from growing and lessen discomfort in cases of early urinary tract disorders. This natural remedy may provide supportive alleviation in the early stages of discomfort, but it cannot replace antibiotics in more severe situations. When used properly, this combination can support your body's natural healing process and help you regain comfort when urinating. Afterwards, it promotes heart health. Many people are becoming more concerned about heart health, and long-term cardiovascular fitness greatly depends on maintaining appropriate blood pressure and cholesterol levels. It's interesting to note that when taken regularly and sparingly, the mixture of baking soda and apple cider vinegar may provide some mild but significant assistance in this area. Acetic acid, found in apple cider vinegar, has been linked to better lipid metabolism. It may aid in raising HDL, or good cholesterol, and lowering LDL, or bad cholesterol, and triglyceride levels. Furthermore, oxidative stress, a major contributor to the development of heart disease, can be fought off with the aid of its antioxidant substances, such as polyphenols. Additionally, apple cider vinegar has demonstrated promise in enhancing insulin sensitivity, which is directly related to cardiovascular health. Baking soda helps by lowering inflammation, which is frequently a hidden cause of high blood pressure and artery damage, and balancing pH levels. Baking soda may help cardiovascular function indirectly by promoting improved blood circulation and reducing the body's acidic load. Over a 12-week period, a 2018 study in the Journal of Functional Foods showed that daily consumption of apple cider vinegar dramatically reduced fasting blood sugar and total cholesterol in overweight people. These benefits are strongly associated with a lower risk of cardiovascular disease, particularly when paired with a healthy diet and lifestyle. The careful application of this natural combination may provide additional support for heart health, helping to gradually manage important markers like blood pressure, cholesterol, and blood sugar levels, even if it is not a substitute for medically prescribed treatments. Finally, it increases immunity. Your body's first line of protection against viruses, infections, and chronic inflammation is a robust immune system. One of the best ways to maintain your health throughout the year is to support it organically through your diet and lifestyle. Due to their distinct antibacterial and gut-balancing qualities, baking soda and apple cider vinegar may provide mild yet effective support for your immune system. Acetic acid, found in apple cider vinegar, has been demonstrated to have antifungal and antibacterial properties. By lowering the body's microbial load, these qualities can stop dangerous diseases from spreading. Apple cider vinegar also promotes a balanced gut flora and healthy digestion. Given that the gut contains almost 70% of your immune system, these are two crucial components of immune strength. Despite being more widely recognized as an antacid, baking soda may also promote immunological function by lowering inflammation and assisting in the maintenance of a steady internal pH environment. Over time, immunological responses may be weakened by high acidity and chronic inflammation. Baking soda contributes to the creation of a more conducive environment for the effective operation of immune cells by buffering excessive acidity. According to a 2018 study in the journal Immunity, giving mice a baking soda solution orally increased the spleen's generation of immune cells that fight inflammation. These cells are essential for keeping a balanced, efficient defense and avoiding immune system overreactions. Baking soda and apple cider vinegar may work together to promote gut health, lessen dangerous bacteria, and establish an internal environment that strengthens your immune system. How the combination should be made and used. After learning what this potent combination can accomplish, let's move on to the part you've likely been anticipating: how to put it to use. The good news? It only takes a few minutes to prepare and is easy and reasonably priced. Here's exactly how to use it correctly, whether you want to use it physically for your skin and joints or inside for digestion and detox. First, internal use of the beverage. With good reason, this is the approach that most people begin with. It's simple to prepare and can be incorporated into your regular wellness regimen. Here's how to get it ready. It is advisable to start with 200 cc of 1 cup of room temperature or lukewarm water. For maximum advantages, mix 1 tablespoon of raw, unfiltered apple cider vinegar with the mother. Next, mix 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda with 1/4. If you've never taken it before, start with the lesser dosage. Before drinking, Give it a good stir and let the fizzing cease entirely. This guarantees a thorough and stomach-friendly effect. Do you want to make it sweeter? Yes, you can. If you dislike the strong taste of vinegar, it will be much simpler to enjoy with a teaspoon of raw honey or a few drops of stevia. How frequently and when should you take it? To speed up your metabolism and digestion, take it once daily, preferably in the morning on an empty stomach. It can be taken as needed for some conditions like heartburn or indigestion, but don't take more than 2 servings daily, at least an hour before meals. As always, be mindful of your body's reaction and consult a healthcare professional first if you have any health issues. 2. The paste is used externally. This version is ideal for treating fungal infections, joint pain, and skin problems. How is the paste made? Mix 1/2 to 1 teaspoon of baking soda with 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. Stir until a smooth, thick paste is formed. If necessary, add a few drops of water to achieve the proper consistency. Apply the paste immediately to the area that is afflicted, such as a hurting joint, an itchy fungal spot, or an acne patch. Give it 10 to 20 minutes. Use lukewarm water to gently rinse. Depending on the ailment being treated and how sensitive your skin is, you can apply this procedure once or twice a day. To ensure you don't have a bad reaction, always perform a small patch test first, particularly if you have sensitive skin. Precautions that you should be aware of. Even though baking soda and apple cider vinegar have many amazing health benefits, it's crucial to utilize them sensibly and safely. Above all, before using apple cider vinegar, whether for drinking or skin application, always dilute it. Because it is so acidic, undiluted vinegar can irritate or even harm tissues over time. Moderation is key when it comes to baking soda. Overdosing, particularly if taken frequently, can cause bloating, upset stomach, or even interfere with your body's sodium balance. Before incorporating this cure into your daily routine, see your healthcare practitioner if you are using any medications, such as insulin, diuretics, or blood pressure meds. Both components have the potential to slightly alter how your body processes blood sugar, minerals, and water. Finally, keep in mind that something is not always risk-free just because it is natural. Make careful use of this mixture. Always pay attention to your body's reaction and start with tiny dosages. Care and balance are key to achieving the finest outcomes in a safe manner. Let's conclude. What actually occurs then when baking soda and apple cider vinegar are combined? You unleash a vivacious healing powerhouse. This natural blend may become your new go-to wellness trick, whether you spread it or drink it, but always use it responsibly. And consult an expert when in doubt. Do you have any prior experience with this combination? Or, after watching this video, are you going to try it? Leave a remark below with your ideas or queries. We would be delighted to hear from you. Please remember to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends and family if you found it useful. Together, let's promote the benefits of natural health. We appreciate your time and hope to see you in the next video.